Well, hello there. My name's Ken Fry, Outdoor Skills Specialist with the Ohio Division of Wildlife. This time of year, there's nothing more fun than going out with a light fly rod and trying to catch some bluegill or red ear on beds. Today I'm going to show you how to tie my go-to fly for those fish, and that's the bully spider. Here in a second, I'm going to show you how to transform these few fly tying materials into an absolute panfish magnet, the bully spider.
Alright, let's get started tying the bully spider. We're going to begin by securing our hook and our vise. We're then going to take our thread, get a couple wraps started, wrapping over on the tag end. Once you have that secured, you can take your scissors and snip that little extra piece off. We're now going to wrap the thread back towards the bend of the hook. Once there, we're going to let it hang. We're now going to grab our wire and we're going to wrap that in. By adding this wire, we're adding some weight, and this is going to allow the fly to sink. We're going to begin wrapping the wire around the hook with wrapping touches. Working the wire to the eye of the hook. But we are not going to go all the way up. Then we're going to backtrack and go back over that. And what we're trying to do is just add enough weight and create a little thickness there. Once we have a nice thick weight there, we're going to pinch that off. We're going to grab our thread and do some wraps around the weight to lock it into place, especially a few out in front. We're going to go back over that weight, leaving the thread back by the bend again. We're going to grab our chenille, and then today we're using a fluorescent, a chartreuse color. We're going to wrap that in. A couple wraps to secure that into place. Once we've done that, we're going to wrap our thread up towards the eye again. We're going to let that hang, and now we're going to do those wrapping, touching wraps again with our chenille. Creating the body of the fly. Once we have it wrapped all the way to the front, we're then going to take our thread and do a couple wraps over top to secure that piece into place. Once we have that secured, we can nip off the chenille. Add a few more wraps there to really tie it down and give us a place to secure our legs. We're now going to peel off one of those rubber legs that we showed you earlier. We're going to fold it in half and create a loop on one end. We're going to take that loop and we're going to put about an inch worth out in front of the fly We're going to secure that into place, making sure that we keep those rubber legs on top. Couple wraps. We're going to take the loop and bend it back with the other 2 legs, and we're then going to wrap that into place. Once we're there, we're going to grab our whip tool. We're going to whip finish this. You now cut the thread off. I recommend adding a little head cement to it, because with bluegill and red ear fishing, these tend to get beat up pretty good because you're getting a lot of bites. We're then going to take our scissors and nip the loop. We're going to grab all 4 legs at this point, and we're going to trim them about twice the body length of the fly, and that is your bully spider.
Well, I hope you enjoyed learning how to tie the bully spider. For more information on fishing in Ohio, please visit wildohio.gov.